channel. In today's video I'm going to show you 6 different hairstyles, to be precise, with which you can create your everyday hairstyles. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so this is my normal hair after hair wash. I didn't apply any heating tools, I didn't apply any different things. So this is my normal hair. I just applied a serum called Silk and Shine, whose picture I will attach somewhere on the screen. So after that, this is the normal texture. I have a semi curly. I don't say it as wavy. It is like mostly curly hair. So this is my normal texture hair. So in this, I'm going to show you 6 different hairstyles. Wear it with Indian, you can wear it with Western, in whatever way you want to. So without wasting your time and enough of babbling, so let's get right into the video.
So guys, for the first hairstyle, I just took a side partition. I took it on the right side. If you want to take it on the left side, you can take it. So for this, I'll just take small strands from the forehead area of my hair and I'll just twist it one over the other, just the way I showed in the video, and pull all the hair from one side and bring it to the other and twist it completely. After twisting it completely, I'll just make a simple 3-strand braid, which we do every day. And after this, I'll just braid the hair very tightly so that it doesn't look loosely braided. So after braiding it, I'll just secure it with a rubber band of any color. Here I'm taking grayish rubber band. So after securing it with a rubber band, I'll just comb it and back comb it again in order to make the hair look little bit fluffy. So if you feel the braid is loose, you can always use a tic-tac clip. I am using in a golden color. You can always use a black color or a brown color bobby pin too. And I'm just taking a little bit of hair, pulling it across my face and framing it. So this is my first hairstyle, and this is a very easy hairstyle, and you can carry it with Indian, Western and everything. So for the second hairstyle, I have the same side partition, and this is a half French braid, if you can say. So for the first thing, I am just making a 3-strand braid in the crown section of my hair, and without taking any hair from the back, I'm just taking hair into the braid from the front side. And this is my go-to and the most easiest, and trust me guys, it looks absolutely fantastic on whatever clothes you wear, be it Western, be it Indian. It looks really pretty on me. So this is a very simple. I'm just braiding it. I'm just taking a little bit of hair from the front pieces and I'm just pulling it back into the braid, and I'm securing here it with a tic-tac clip again. And always remember to pull a little of hair in the front to frame your face. On the other side, I'm just twisting I'm taking tiny pieces of hair and I'm just twisting it and securing it with a tic-tac clip again. So this will be my second hairstyle, with which we can do our third hairstyle, which is with the same braided hairstyle. I'm just making it braid on one side so that it looks more cool with Indian dresses. This braid can be done either on the center or on the left or on the right side. You can also make a French braid with it. This is my favorite hairstyle, you guys. So I just pulled a little bit of hair. So for the fourth hairstyle, I am just twisting. I took a center partition first, then I just twisted my hair and I just pinned it. And the same thing I'm doing it on the other side too. Always remember to pull a little bit of hair from your face so that it frames your face really well. So after this, you can either leave it as such or wear a ponytail. For the fifth hairstyle, I again have a center partition. This time I'm twisting 3 small pieces of the hair and I'm just pinning it to the same clip so that you can have 3 different hair strands, and it looks really pretty in the pictures when you have side poses of pictures. So in this, I am just twisting the third braid and pinning it in the same, and I am repeating the same step on this side too. Ignore me looking at that side, guys. I have a mirror placed on that side. So I'll just twist, and I'll just twist 3 strands of hair. Here I messed up by twisting it all together, so we have to twist it separately so that the 3 strands look separate. So that's my second and that's my third. This also you can leave your hair as such, but I prefer it with a ponytail. So you like height heighted ponytails, you can wear it with that. If you have a low heighted ponytail, you can wear with that. So here I have used a low heighted ponytail. Yeah. So for the last hairstyle, trust me guys, this is my go-to hairstyle since the lockdown has started. So I'm just twisting it. I'm just randomly twisting it, and I'm just securing all the twists that I've made with a tic tac clip again. I just checked whether my twists are perfect. So I'm just twisting and securing it with a tic tac clip, and it's a simple 3-strand braid. I just braid both the side of my hair. I love to do both side braided hair, and it looks really good with your dungarees, your pullovers, your jumpsuits, and it really looks very pretty. So I just secured it with a rubber band, and you know the trick, to pull to comb and back comb so that it looks fluffy.
With that, we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video the same way I did while filming it. If you have any thoughts and any comments, please let me know in the comment box below. If you like this video, please click on the like button and click on the subscribe button. Your subscription boosts me up. Until next time, bye.